Hello Martians! Welcome back to my channel. Again, this is Marian. At sa video ito, pag-uusapan natin kung ano nga ba ang mas matimbang. Maging freelancer ba? O maging isang company employee? Panoorin mo ang video ito hanggang dulo para malaman mo kung ano ang trabaho na bagay para sa'yo. Huwag na natin patagalin pa, simulan na natin. Let's do this! Being a freelancer means you are self-employed. You're like having your own business. Parang self-employed lawyers, architect, na you can get as many clients as you can. Hanggat kaya mo. Yes, you can have multiple jobs or clients all at the same time. Which leads us to number 2, unlimited income. Kahit bago ka pa lang sa pag-freelance, say 1 year, more or less 1 year, posible ka makakuha ng 6-digit income. I know someone na 21 years old, malayo sa kanyang course ang freelance job niya, pero naka-earn siya ng 250,000. Following month, naka-earn siya ng almost 300,000. Wow! Could you imagine that? Number 3, flexible working hours. Napaka-importante ng time management. Pero dito, you have more options to work as part-time, full-time, contractual. Minsan itetest ka muna as part-time, and then in the long run, kapag nagustuhan ka ng employer, you will be on full-time. Number 4, ang favorite ng karamihan sa atin, lalong-lalo na ngayong pandemic, ang work from home. Lahat ng freelancers are working from home. And hindi lang sa home, hindi lang sa bahay, anywhere, basta dapat may internet. Kahit bagong gising ka, walang ligo, walang toothbrush, walang hilamos, pwede mag-work. Wala namang aamoy sa'yo, di ba? So, sobrang convenient at sobrang safe. It would save 2 things, money and time. Money pamasahe at pangkain, time. Time going to your work. Number 5, you will be paid per hour, dollars, and tax-free. Para ka lang nagtatrabaho sa Middle East, tax-free, and you can earn more than a regular employee. The mode of payment depends on the employer, usually through PayPal, TransferWise, Coins.ph, PayMy. It could also be paid weekly or bi-weekly for 15-30. As a practice, bi-weekly or per week kasi maraming scammers, so ina-advise din ng mga employers na mas okay yung weekly. Actually, it would really depend. Number 6, free training. Siyempre, gusto rin ng employer mo na mag-grow ka at progress yung business. So, ina-encourage din bigyan ka ng mga sample or free trainings. Sometimes, hindi lang to talaga basta-basta training. May halaga siya. Wait, there's more. Hindi naman pwede lahat puro advantage lang. Ito tayo kung ano ba yung catch or disadvantage ng pagiging freelancer. Number 1, usually walang benefits like SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, medical benefits. And to be able to get those, ikaw mismo ang mag-i-initiate na kumuha sa mga agencies na yun. Mahulog-hulugan mo monthly. Number 2, since tax-free siya, hindi ka nagbabayad sa BIR, so wala kang mapapakitang documents at mahihirapan ka mag-apply o mangutang sa bangko. Although meron namang mga freelancers na nagbabayad ng kusa, pero karamihan, no, we're talking about general, hindi talaga nagbabayad kasi syempre, malaki rin ang masisave mo. So, manghihirapan ka mangutang sa bangko, lalong-lalo na ng housing loan. Ang car loan kaya paggawa ng paraan, pero medyo mabigat ang requirement sa housing loan kasi aabot siya ng 15 to 30 years. Number 3, since para siyang negosyo, you really need to invest for your own equipment. So, ano-ano ba yung mga equipment na yun? Siyempre, unang-una, internet connection. Yung iba meron mga minimum internet speed na kailangan. Depende sa work mo. Yung iba, pwede cellphone, laptop, tablet. Meron din mga model ng computer na requirement. Iba rin, kailangan ng noise cancelling headset. Number 4. So, since pwede ka mag-apply kahit kanino, kahit saan, maraming scammers. Sobrang daming scammers. Yung mga hindi ka nababayaran or ikaw pa mismo yung magbabayad sa kanila bago mo makuha yung job offer. Ingat tayo sa scammers. Number 5. Mas madali mawalan ng trabaho at ma-terminate sa pag-freelance pag hindi nagustuhan ng employer ang performance mo. Fear ng pagiging freelancer. You can jump from one client to another. Number 6, competitive. Very competitive ang pag-freelance. Kailangan mo talaga mamili at pag-isipan kung ano bang field ang gusto mong pasukin. Hindi lahat nagiging successful. Kunyari, may virtual assistant, web developer, graphic designer, and what have you. Usually ko nakikita is mga virtual assistant and dumadami yung employers na sobrang barat mag-offer. Sadly, marami talaga kumakagat pa rin doon dahil sa hirap nga ng buhay dito. Pero I highly suggest na wag po natin gawin yun. Honestly, yung mga foreign employers tingin talaga sa atin patay gutom. Yun yung one thing na higing competitive talaga yung mundo ng pag-freelance. And anytime pwede silang magpalit ng employee nila. Number 7, you need to be tech savvy. Lagi kang nakasalang sa internet the whole time at maghahanap ka ng work. Yung iba, bago pa lang and iniisip pa nila kung ano talagang freelance job na para sa'yo. So, mag-research ka rin at mag-aral ka. You would really need to learn a lot sa freelance work para makasabay ka. Kung gusto niyo malaman kung bakit ako umalis sa 5-1 Talk, kung magkano ang eksaktong salary at penalty, panoorin niyo lang ang video clip na nasa taas. Isa yan sa mga bago kong video, kaya maiksi pa yung buho ko dyan. Punta naman tayo sa pagiging company employee. Medyo bilisan na lang natin to. Number 1, you are employed in a legitimate company in the Philippines. Thus, it will give you more stability. Number 2, all equipments are provided. Yung ibang companies ngayon allows work from home. Kung work from home ka, papadala nila sa'yo ang complete set of equipment. From headset, computer, and internet. If on-site naman, ang pinaka-nakakamiss at masarap pag on-site is ang malamig na aircon. Tsaka, bidet sa CR kapag nagpupups ka. And yung samahan. Nakakamiss yung samahan ng mga kaibigan, mga workmates, after work, inuman kayo. Of course, may sarili kang working station. Number 3, complete benefits. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, at syempre, medical benefits. Dahil mandated ito ng ating batas. So, yun yung isa sa pinakamagandang advantage ng pagiging company employee. Number 4, meron kang fixed rate salary. So, depende rin yun sa company kung meron silang annual increase. That's good. Sasahod ka every 15th of the month and 30th of the month. You just need to open an ATM savings account to their suggested or specific company payroll bank account. Number 5, normally, laging full-time ang hinahanap. Hindi pwedeng part-time, contract niyan 1 year. You will be working for 1 hour lunch break. Yung iba, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Comment down below kung ganun din ba yung company nyo kasi ganun yung lunch break namin. Number 6, for me, it's simplified. You are in the safe zone. Focus ka lang sa kung ano goals ng company nyo. Unlike sa pagiging freelance, sobrang broad. It is governed by certain company rules and strategies. May free trainings din siya, just like freelancers. Number 7, you can easily apply for bank loan. Check mo lang talaga kung pasado ba yung monthly or annual salary mo. Halos lahat ng documents is kukunin mo lang sa company mo, like COE, yung sa BIR. Punta na tayo sa catch. Katulad ng nasabi ko kanina, number 1 is normally you can only work committed in one company. Lalo na kapag on-site ka. Number 2, usually on-site siya. Pero tulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, meron nagpapa-work from home. Once na on-site ka, kailangan mo bumiyahe, umulan ng umaraw, at gumastos sa pamasahe. Pag inalaw ka naman mag-work from home, although ipro-provide nila sa'yo ang kumpletong set na equipment, papipirmahin ka naman nila ng waiver na kapag nasira mo yun, is kailangan mong bayaran. Common sense na lang, ganun talaga. Pag may pinahiram na gamit sa'yo, tapos nasira mo, kailangan mo siyang palitan o bayaran. At nagkakahalaga malaking pera. Hindi ka kasya yung isang buwan mong sahod. Isang buwan mo siya pagtatrabahuhan para mabayaran mo. Congrats sa'yo kung natapos mo ang video ito. Appear tayo dyan. Since alam mo na ang disadvantages at advantages ng pagiging freelancer at company employee, ikaw na mismo ang makakasagot kung ano ba ang swak at applicable sa sitwasyon, lifestyle, at needs mo. At wala namang masama subukan. For some people, mas okay sa kanila and it works for them ang pagiging freelancer. At yung iba naman, mas feel maging company employee. So, nasa sa'yo yan. Wala namang masama subukan at take yung risk. Kung nagustuhan mo tong video to, huwag mo kalimutan mag-like, mag-subscribe, at mag-comment dyan sa baba. Dito na nagtatapos ang ating video at laging tandaan, fear is not real. Believe in yourself, trust God, spread love, and peace!